Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing. So let's start. I bought this from Apple Store in 2000 Canadian dollar with Apple Care. It is 256 GB and I'm very excited to see this. Here we go. It is available in 4 color: space gray, silver, gold, midnight and green. This one is space gray. It has 3 cameras: ultra wide, wide and telephoto cameras. About display, it has Super Retina XDR OLED display with 6.5 inch. It has texture matte glass back and polished stainless steel band. Now we will take a look what accessories are included with iPhone. So this is the manual with all the instruction. This is SIM card eject pin. Later I will show you how to use it. So right now I'm gonna put this stuff aside. So this is the iPhone Pro Max, come with the USB-C 18-watt fast charger and USB-C to lightning cable. This charge hit 50% charging in 30 minutes. So this is the wired AirPod, come with 11 Pro Max. This is the charging cable comes with charging adapter. Now we're gonna take a look at the phone. As I told you earlier, it has Super Retina XDR OLED display with 6.5 inch. Now we will do the setup. So press power button to switch it on. Then swipe up, choose your language and country. Then in next window, click setup manually on the bottom of your screen. Then connect to your Wi-Fi. Once you connected, then press next button on the top of the screen. It takes few minutes to active. Then press continue button on data and privacy window. Then it will open to Face ID. Then click continue to set up your Face ID, create your password here and then press continue. It will lead to your Face ID setup. Follow instruction and set up your Face ID. Then you will see the apps and data option. Here you can transfer or restore your data from iCloud or Android phone. For now I'm gonna choose don't transfer apps and data. So we are done with setup here. Now I will show you how to insert SIM in iPhone. With the help of eject pin, remove SIM slot. And put your SIM on it and put it back. Within a second, it will show the network on the top of the screen. Here we go. Now I'm gonna tell you about the cameras. Ultra wide camera having 5 element lens and 12 megapixel sensor. This helps to show 120-degree field of view. And the second one is wide camera having 12 megapixel sensor, 6 element lens and optical amaze stabilization. And third one is telephoto camera optical image stabilization having 12 megapixel sensor. Now we will take a look on camera features. I made this video with screen recording. For flash or live pictures, you have to swipe up from arrow as you seen in the video. Then live picture. Here you can adjust the picture ratio like square or full screen. So this one is full screen, this one is 1:1. So next one is timer. Here we can set a timer to take picture. So now we take a look on portrait. It comes with 6 modes like natural light, studio light, contour light, stage light mono, and high key light mono. So now next one is pano mode. Now we will check video camera. On the top of the screen you will see that HD and frame rate. By clicking on that we will adjust the frame rate like 30 to 60 or HD to 4K. Like no need to go to setting to change that. Now check this video. I made this video in train to show you guys camera zoom of iPhone 11 Pro Max. In this video you can check the iPhone 11 Pro Max zoom. In this video you can check the color contrast. And you can see that and here you will notice that the background is blurred while making video. So these are some pictures which I clicked in portrait or normal mode in iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now take a look on this video. I made this video with the help of telephoto camera like 0.5 zoom, or you can say that -1 zoom. So this one is normal camera mode and this one is 0.5. Now I'm gonna show you night mode feature. Again you have to swipe up from the arrow which I made in video you will see now it's automatic, but you can adjust it like from maximum to minimum. Like if it's automatic, take a look on the top corner of the screen. Like now it's showing 1, but when you go in dark, it's automatically changed to 2 or 3. So thanks for watching my video. So please subscribe my channel and like my video, and if you have any question then comment below.